Hey guys, how are you? Andy Suku, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions. I get asked this question a lot of times, and actually did it on our Instagram page when we did a video about putting a car in your business name. Now, the question was, is car insurance more expensive in a business name than in your personal name? Now, this question has two-sided answer, actually, I should say. But to answer the question, yes, it is much more expensive to have auto insurance in your business name opposed to your personal name. So let me explain why. Now, when you buy a car in the business name, you're buying it because you want to do a write-off at the end of the year. You cannot just open an LLC today and think you can go buy a car in the business name tomorrow. No, that does not work. It will not work. It's never worked. A lot of these gurus are telling you that online. It does not work. In order for you to buy the car, you would have to PG it, and it will report to your personal credit as well, right? But to get insurance in your business name, if you put the car in the business name, you have to have insurance in the business name as well. Especially at the end of the year, we're going to try to do the write-off and the deductions. You have to check the tax code for that. So you may want to have your CPA check on the tax code. For that, it varies. But you have to have both of them in the business name. Why is insurance more expensive? Because when the insurance company goes to quote you, they know that if you have a business and multiple people can be driving the car, they have to have higher limits. So for example, if you have 5 people working in a company and let's say one person wasn't added on the insurance and they get into an accident, they could deny your claim. Let's say you get into an accident and someone is suing you, you have to make sure you have enough coverage to cover that claim, okay? Secondly, if you're using the car to transport something, or your vehicle, I should say, to transport something, some sort of like, let's say you're using it to deliver medication, or some sort of item that's business related, you have to cover the product. Insurance, again, is higher for that. Now, I spoke to a lot of CPAs about this topic, and they said that, and don't quote me on this, what they're saying, I haven't tested it yet. Most of my car, actually all my cars are in my company's name, and the insurance are in my company's name, and yes, the insurance are double the premium than what it would pay for if it was in my personal name. However, I have to do it that way because of my assets. If something was to happen to my car, I do not want someone coming after my personal asset, even though a lot of my personal assets are in LLCs as well and holding companies. But you have to have set up the right way because at the end of the year, when it's for accounting purposes, you want to have a clean paper trail. You do not want IRS to audit you, right? So if you're using a car to transport certain things, yes, you have to have extra coverage for that. Now, like I said, I've spoken to a few CPAs about this already, and they said that you can have the car in your personal and register it in your business name, but you can keep the insurance in your personal name as long as you pay the car payment and insurance out of the business checking account every single month for 12 months and have a paper trail of that. You can still qualify for the deduction. However, if something happens in an accident and you're at fault, one, the insurance company can deny the claim, and two, you have to keep proper paper trail in case IRS does audit you for that. Now, again, don't quote me on that. That's what the CPA has told me. 3 different CPAs said the same thing. So I'm assuming if 3 people are saying the same thing, it could probably work. You just have to make sure you cover yourself with your documentation, your miles, and all this good stuff. But to answer the original question that the person asked us, if it is more expensive in your business name, yes, it is. A lot more expensive. All right. So if you have a question about this topic, drop a comment below and I'll try to answer you guys and respond to your question or comments. Talk to you soon. Before I end this video, if you are a customer, a business owner, and you have your vehicles in your company's name legitimately, and you have insurance in the company's name, drop a comment below. I'm pretty sure I would want to hear your experience, and anyone else watching this video would want to hear your experience. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.